1, go!
वीडियो ऑफिशियल हो गया ना?
And currently it's 3 degrees. We are in Delhi. We just landed in Delhi, bro. और we're going to. Where are we going? We're going to Manali, bro, for the first time. Me and Yugu on this
It's
trip.
a classic Ami Yugu adventure, though, this one.
I'm also here, guys.
Oh, Ali on the cam. हाँ भाई, तो we're gonna go get some food, hit the bus station, drive all night. मतलब we're not going to drive.
हमें तो सुना है पर बस चलाएगा.
Bus driver will drive us, and we'll wake up in Manali, hopefully. Hopefully.
यहाँ से अपने को जाना है पहले हॉस्टस.
जागू तो go by just maybe नहीं डाला है तेरे top 5 list में. I choose violence with my dope ideas. तेरे बारे में लिखूंगा जाके low fight list. चिकू बिस मेरा बहुत फैला खौफ मेरा कौन demo thinking की anti बना डाला कुछ चला modular synthesis.
That was the most stressful thing.
टूटेंगे फिर भी नहीं छूटेंगे bitch.
ये क्या क्या देती 10 लाख का माल 70 लाख पे खरीद लिया. ये तो आप बिक जाओगे.
Saw a lift.
I thought मैं हार्ड डालूंगा तो खुल जाएगा. ठीक है, we'll get the next one, bro. This is a life lesson. जिंदगी में एक ट्रेन छूटती है दूसरी आ जाती है. Just gotta wait till the next one comes.
Yeah, and who knows, maybe this one's gonna crash.
बचपन से ना भाई ना थी बहन पूरी दुनिया बना ली बेचा खुद का ही मैम लीग्स इन द गेम प्रूव करूं टाइम एंड अगेन यू कुड हैव बीन इफ यू वर ट्रू विद द पेन क्यों मुझे गन मुंह में ग्लास के मार.
We just got off the bus in Manali. That's Piyush. Piyush is one of our boys. He is from Manali. He's gonna take care of the whole trip. He's planned everything. अरे भाई कितने कैमरास है भाई क्या चल रहा है?
Cameras on cameras. I'm Ali. Nice to meet you.
Aryan.
Aryan. Hey, dude. Nice to meet you.
Ali, bro.
कैसा रहा सब? How does it feel कि that you know you're here? How do it's unreal for me to believe that you guys are here from Bombay to Manali. Thank you so much for coming. Suits you, man.
And for Ali as well, welcome to Manali, bro. I hope you have a great stay. A lot of positivity. Welcome to Manali.
Thank you. Yeah, we're officially welcome to
Manali.
And we
We are at
Piyush's residence. Piyush used to work with us in Bombay.
Still don't know why after looking at this house.
But now he's welcomed us into his home and he's going to show us Manali.
Alright, so currently we're gonna go for a little short of a hike. यहाँ पे एक जगह है जिसको बोलते हैं छानी. And there is a stone, a big stone. Rest I don't want to disclose. Just get in the car. Yeah. Okay.
This is alright.
डिवाइन बज रहा है भाई. हम मुंबई से आए हैं तो क्या?
कुणाल भाई अपने. Hello, कुणाल.
Nice to meet you.
Hi Kunal, I'm Ali.
Okay, a lot of crossovers happening at the same time. ये आकाश है.
Hi Akash.
सही है भाई. We trust you.
Ali should go inside, I think, so that.
Boys, buckle up.
Buckle up.
Javai, let me find something to hold.
Huh?
राइट वाले पार्ट
चढ़ना भी नहीं आता.
वेरी गुड. सुपरमैन.
देख you go. This is how a little girl does it.
This is all being recorded.
Yes. Let's see the view. तेरे को उठाऊंगा ऐसे? God damn bro, you can see the whole village.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Oh shit, look at those guys.
भाई वहाँ the view here, the greenery, the mountains. Piyush, you go. Kid.
Sort.
Roll out, boys. Let's get the hell out of here.
Rahman, I think the simple point is कि जो भी मुंबई से आशाएं लेके आए हैं वो सारी पूरी हो जाए. So it only makes sense to come here, bro.
Ashapuri village.
Yeah, it's like all your expectations, all your desires, they should get fulfilled.
तो तू रात को आ रहा है रूम में?
This is where we are going to be staying. Ashapuri village. Bhai, just look at this view. Oh. How can this be real? We're living nice, huh? Wore my shoes. You go, आजा.
और भी है भाई. Let's see.
Some more rooms.
Wait.
For the view. This is
Cool है भाई.
See, the sun is going down. To wake up to this and the mountains there.
Look at this.
Hey bro, let's go check out the other room.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take this one, bro.
Pick one.
I don't like Bombay. So it's an easy choice. Yeah, bro, this nap is going to hit. I've just woken up from my nap. I really needed it. I was very tired, didn't sleep properly last night. And currently it's 3 degrees. And I'm standing shirtless because I'm going to show you guys how you dress here to stay warm.
Winter, thandi. You can go from looking average to looking absolutely sexy.
Under my pants, so this is my underwear. I'm wearing a layer of thermal pants. And now first I'll wear a layer of, it's made from polyester, which is not a great thing, but it keeps you warm. This is plastic. My second layer, I'm just wearing a normal sweater. Now on top of this, you're gonna need a jacket. And you get specific jackets which are nice and warm, and you can get it from any athletic store, Decathlon or something. But this is good enough for the room. To do one of these,
I'm not in a mood, cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA.
makes you look like a gangster.
Lambo parked and
This is a cap if your head is. This is good enough. If your hands get cold, you could do gloves as well. For your hands, you've got these inner gloves too. And if they still don't do the job, you can wear these thick, warm gloves on top, which will keep your hands warm, which is very important because you need your hands. You should go wake Yugu up. I think वो अभी भी सो रहा है. Oh, you're awake.
Man, it's chilly. I need my jacket.
लगी ना थोड़ी भाई मेरे जैकेट और वो सब तो गाड़ी में ही है. ओ भाई these are cold. AC लगाना है इधर को.
अरे हीटर लगाना है मेरे को भाई.
हीटर नहीं है यहाँ पे.
There is.
AC में हीटर है.
I checked. But
AC में ही हीटर है.
हाँ. See. But शुरू नहीं हुआ.
तो मतलब ये AC में हीटर है. Nice jacket, bro. I wonder where you got it from.
What's up, dude? भाई. It's cold then.
Oh, damn.
What's that? What's that? What's over there?
No, it's over here.
It was desperation. It's all he could do. Can he crawl over and cover the man? He's there. One, two, go! What? It's not over. Edge with a spin. Margano's done it. Ultimate leg hook on the rock. I can't believe it.
The match will continue right after this break.
Hello. I should have done that.
What's the plan? Where are we going?
अभी hot spring
You want
करना
to
है?
have something? Kya?
Yeah.
Hot spring? Is it hot?
It's 24 hours hot.
Natural bhai, natural hot spring.
Should we go?
Yeah.
Or should we go in the morning?
Morning में भी चल जाएंगे. What do we have to do or what do we have to lose?
कुछ खाना है तुम्हें
हाँ,
पहले?
एक light snack before the hot spring.
No, you can have food in the hot spring also. ये भी एक possibility है.
What is
मतलब
this?
कोई लाके देगा खाना.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब there is a restaurant भी operate करते हैं वो वहाँ पे ना. You can order.
Is this what heaven feels like? You're goddamn right it is.
Okay, wait, should we play Would You Rather, Ravi?
Would you rather shut up and enjoy the
तेरे से प्यारों से बहुत उसने दुनिया बना ली बस औरों का खौफ कहती मैं नाचती हूँ किसके इशारे पे तभी आती अकेली इस सारों में आंखें बंद और the sky been
Can a man ask for anything more?
I have just experienced something very scary, and bro, I think the sudden rise in your body temperature, it dropped my blood pressure. As we got out, I was just like slowly fading.
Yeah, you gone for together.
I was just like, oh, okay, this is... So I had to get my blood pressure back up, and the quickest way to do that is to have sugar. So in case anyone ever experiences like a sudden drop in blood pressure,
That's good advice.
and now we eat.
There's steamed chicken momos. There's some french fries with some ketchup on it, which is disgusting, but we'll get to that later. Omelette, which I have not ordered, obviously. Some butter toast, chili chicken,
Thukpa.
mutton thukpa, chili paneer, ordered by me. And Manali aage bhai, veg Maggi.
We're having a great time, I must say.
We really are.
Chalo bhai, here's to love, here's to honor. If you can't come in here, come on her, okay?
Guys, check this. I'm having a hot toddy. There's a campfire here, bonfire. There's music playing. The mountains are here. So this is how we're going to end our night. Signing off.
Sign off for today.
Signing off for today.
What a fucking day, man. Heart is full.
Cheers, bye.
Good
See you
night.
in the next
Take
video.
care.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
and like. Let's go.
Comment.
And be smile on my face.
बस निकल रहा है